In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you simply how to copy items that you've already created in Illustrator. There's a couple ways we can do this. So first we have our item, whether it's a logo, drawing, text box, doesn't matter what it is, whatever you want to copy. There's two main ways you can do this. You can do Control C if you're using a PC, and that will copy it, and then click somewhere else on the paper and do Control V to paste it. The upside to this is it's very quick. It's a shortcut key, so you can Control V several times and it will paste things directly on top of each other. So we can have multiple copies very quickly. The downside is it always puts it in the same spot. So if I'm working over here and I want my item and I Control V, it's going to place it randomly in my screen, usually in the middle. So wherever the middle of your screen is, it will place it. And sometimes that's just annoying for your designing because it can place it on top of another image. So another way to copy something in Illustrator is simply click on what you want to copy, so select it, then hold down the Alt key, and you'll notice that my selection tool goes from a black arrow, I hold down Alt, and if I hover over the item I want to copy, it changes to two arrows. So hold down Alt, hover over, you see there's a black arrow and a white arrow. Now what this allows us to do is it allows us to click and drag. Now I'm holding down Alt and I'm holding down the left mouse button, and then you let go of the mouse, then let go of Alt. If you let go of Alt first, it's just going to move your object. So you always have to let go of the mouse first before you let go of Alt. So you hold down Alt, you move your item, let go of the mouse, then let go of Alt. This allows us to make many copies very quickly, but where we want to place them. So that is the upside to this versus the copy and paste with the keyboard. Hopefully this was helpful.